Actually this is 4 by 3 size, okay, with a double layer. It's a silk layer, net is given, so it will come in 18 inches. It's a very good knotting, single knotting. This will come in 16 inches hair length, and this what we call 4 by 4 size. You can see the base, one of the best. This is very thin border, and this is a double layer. Even this will be in the 16 inches size, 4 by 4, and this is 5 by 4. The same product, 3 sizes are there. It is in 16 inches hair length, and again we have a size in 20 inches. You see the volume, equal volume on the bottom. One of the best product. In this also 20 inches we have 3 sizes, T3, T4, T4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4 and 5 by 6. These are the 3 sizes. You can see this is 20 inches, 20 inches, 20 inches, and this will come in 16 inches. Two